So the new jack stands here. Very good. So we have on the Jeep here this triangle, and at this triangle here, that's where we get this thing. That's where we want to hold it, and we're using a car jack to lift the car up here in this sturdy. Here I'm using a little piece of wood to buffer this a little, and we have to go and lift it up as far enough that the wheel here is in the air. So let's have a little look here. Then the pin goes in here. This can't go any further down. There's a little safety ring here that goes through the pin on this side, so that the pin can't fall out when it's not under tension. So let's see here. Let me go down here how this goes. There we are. You can shake your car a little. So that's pretty good. So this is safe now here with this pin. If this breaks off, the pin will hold it.